Hi, I'm Abdi and Arayes. I'll just quickly show you how you can analyze the portfolio of your client in just 2 minutes. So we have developed a tool by which you can analyze their cash report and then can quickly provide them the insights of the portfolio, whatever mutual funds they have. So you need to select the risk tolerance, and that's very critical. Then only you can basically do the complete assessment and provide the kind of suggestions or the recommendations, right? Now you need to select the cache file from here. You can select cache file. This is a real cache file coming from CDSL, and there you need to provide a password. Once you do that, so we'll click on analyze, and now it will analyze the portfolio of your client. Now see, this is a report. So this whole portfolio analysis is done. Now you can see here we are basically saying, for a conservative and medium-term investment horizon person who is 25-year-old, these are the funds in the portfolio which are directly then read by AI from the cash report. And these are the amount what is kind of invested in these particular funds. So you can have any number of funds in your cash report. So we basically read all those funds, whatever you have there, and then we also look into the historical performance of those funds, their standard deviation, expense ratio, and on that basis there's analysis done for the risk and return. We have then look into also into the expense ratio part, and there is also a standard deviation to understand the risk of that particular fund. And then we also look into the concentration. Well, these funds may be concentrated more into small cap or the infrastructure, and then there is a future outlook. And then there are also few recommendations which are provided. Definitely, along with this, whatever your expertise, you can combine with it, and then you can basically provide the final analysis to your client. And then you can also look into the diversification, and then how to rebalance or monitor the performance. So all those insights are being provided to you in just few minutes, and then there is a conclusion. You can also download PDF, and basically you can send this PDF directly to your client, and then your client can accordingly basically take the action. So this is how we are trying to use AI to simplify the work of a mutual fund distributor or any kind of investment advisor or any of those financial intermediaries. So this is one of the tools which we have. Then there is also another tool by which you can actually look into your the concentration of your portfolio. So basically, if there's any overlapping, if there are multiple, or maybe you're highly concentrated towards a single stock. So all of those things you can basically identify. Again, similarly, I will upload the cash report. So once we upload this cash report, just putting the password here, then you click on analyze. So this is the report which is ready for you. So basically what it shows that the kind of concentration your client has in particular sector. So here we can see that in financial services that client has the maximum concentration, while they're also overlapping, you can see from here. So this again gives you an idea if you're not risk towards any particular sector. So that is something the insight. But also more importantly, you also get to understand what kind of concentration you have for a particular stock. Like in this case, HDFC has total 7.79% contribution into your particular portfolio. Then there is all other stocks you can see, and then accordingly you can make more informed decisions when you are purchasing new set of funds. And then here again you can see look into all stocks wise contribution, but you will have the complete understanding of your portfolio in terms of the number of stocks where you have the exposure and what kind of percentage they contain in your portfolio. So this is basically helps you providing more insights or better insights to your clients, so that your clients can accordingly take the action, or you can take the action on their behalf. So this is one thing. And then you also look into a sector wise weightage, how much you have in large cap, small cap, or mid cap. So all of those things are provided here. So if you want to reach out, you can basically, we've got multiple innovative AI based tools. We also have mutual fund transactional platforms coming from ONDC. So reach out to us, log into our website www.simplifin.ai, and then you can reach out to us, or you can ping me on LinkedIn. Thank you.